Am I burning you?
That's crazy,
Hi.
Like her hair? I did it. Okay. Here's Sherry.
Hi, my name is Sherry, and I'm going to be a future hairstylist. I will burn your hair one day, and you will like it. I'm doing Gabby's hair right now. We're crimping it. Her hair is going to be original, because no one else is going to crimp it. You know what I mean? 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 Haha, drink. Anyway. What are you guys going to do today? Today's 6 to 12. Crazy, 12. Wait, I don't get to 12. Where's the 12?
What?
12. Where's 12?
Did you see the time a while ago when I pointed it out?
Yeah, what does that mean to you?
Nothing, Sherry. It means nothing to me. What do you think it means to me?
To me, 12 is like the heaviest number in the world. 12.
I love the number 12.
Me too. I mean, like 12 is like.
I hate 12.
That's Joe's number.
Oh yeah. Oh. 12 is like half. I mean, 12 is double the number of the number 6, right, Gabby?
Yes.
And it is 3 times the number of 4. And if you add 4 to 8, you get 12.
You guys are
I get
weird.
it, my grandma.
Oh, that's my grandma? Why is she calling me? Oh, thank you. Hola, this is Sherry. Do you want to make an appointment? You want to make an appointment? Okay. You will be coming here at 9 o'clock, please? Okay, hi. I like it. She curled it instead of crimped it, but it's okay. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Leaving where?
Is still recording?
Yeah.
School? Oh, I'm gonna go with my friends. Oh, hey, what time are we gonna go to?
9:50.
9:50.
11.
Oh, 11:50. Ish.
Miss.
Yeah. No, because then like we have to be there early in order for us to walk this day.
You have to be there by 12.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, love you too, bye-bye. Meet you at 9.
Hold it. 9?
She has an appointment.
Okay, hold this. Hold it.
Oh, hold it.
My nail!
Your nail!
Your nail came off?
No.
What did you do, Grizia? This
I don't
know. This is not the Sherry way.
I did it my way.
Sorry. Where's
Graduation. How do you wait?
Oh.
Oh, wait, yeah. Move.
Like O and then 8.
Oh, 8. Sure, give me an O. Oh, 8.
Oh, wait.
It's gonna
Turn!
Oh my god.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Do you want to put it on the other side?
Yeah.
What?
The cord.
Oh, it wasn't on the other side? I didn't know that. Okay, this is what I...
It's gonna stop in 5 seconds, guys.
Bye. Oh, 8. Oh, 8.
Oh, wait, class of 8. Future class of 2012, 2012.